Imagine remembering everything you need, effortlessly and precisely. A powerful mnemonic technique can transform your ability to recall information. Your brain is an incredible machine, but sometimes it needs a specific system to store and retrieve complex data effectively.
What if you could harness an ancient method, rooted deeply in cognitive psychology, to drastically improve your memory retention? This isn't about rote memorization. It's about building vivid, unforgettable mental connections that make recall automatic and fun. Today, you'll discover the Method of Loci, also known as the Memory Palace technique. It's a game changer for your mind. This technique leverages your brain's natural spatial memory, turning abstract data into memorable journeys through familiar locations. The core principle is simple. Associate items you want to remember with specific locations along a familiar mental route. First, choose a very familiar place, your home, your office, or a favorite park. This is your memory palace. Mentally walk through this location, identifying distinct loci or spots. These could be furniture, doorways, or landmarks. Ensure your chosen path is logical and consistent. You need to be able to follow it in the same order every time. To remember information, you place vivid, often exaggerated images of it at each locus along your mental journey. The more bizarre, humorous, or sensory-rich the image, the easier it will be to recall. Engage all your senses. To retrieve the information, simply take a mental walk through your memory palace, picking up each item as you pass its locus. Let's try an example. Imagine memorizing a shopping list. Milk, eggs, bread, apples, and coffee. Start at your front door. Picture a giant carton of milk overflowing onto your porch, making a huge sticky mess. Next, the hallway. Envision dozens of chickens laying eggs all over your rug, clucking loudly and flapping wings. In the living room, imagine a colossal loaf of bread sitting on your sofa, so large it squashes the cushions flat. Moving to the kitchen, visualize apples bouncing wildly off the walls, rolling everywhere, perhaps even hitting you. Finally, at the coffee maker, see a giant, steaming cup of coffee that's bubbling and overflowing, filling the entire room with aroma. Now mentally retrace your steps: porch, milk, hallway, eggs, living room, bread, kitchen, apples, coffee maker, coffee. To master this, practice regularly. Start with short lists, gradually increasing the complexity and length of your information. Create multiple memory palaces for different subjects, one for history, another for vocabulary, another for speeches. Review your palaces periodically. This reinforces the associations and moves them from short-term to long-term memory. For abstract concepts, try to visualize them concretely. How would justice look as an object in your palace? Combine it with other mnemonics like acronyms or rhyming. A milk silk image might be even more memorable. You can even use virtual environments like video game levels as your memory palaces for an endless supply of loci. The key is consistency and creativity. The more you use it, the stronger your mental connections become. Some might argue this technique is too complex or time-consuming to learn. It requires initial effort, yes. However, the long-term benefits of enhanced memory and reduced cognitive load far outweigh the initial learning curve. By consistently practicing the method of loci, you are actively engaging in neuroplasticity. Your brain is literally rewiring itself. Each vivid association strengthens synaptic connections, making memory recall faster and more efficient over time. You are not just memorizing. You are building a robust, interconnected network of knowledge that is easily navigable. This technique empowers you to take control of your memory, transforming frustration into fluid, effortless recall. Imagine confidently recalling speeches, absorbing new languages, or mastering complex academic subjects with ease. Your potential for learning and retention is vast. The Mnemonic secret simply provides the blueprint to unlock it. Start building your first memory palace today. You'll be amazed at how quickly your memory capacity expands. Unlock your memory's true potential. Subscribe for more cognitive psychology insights and self-improvement techniques.